Air force up mountains, cools as it rises. Dew point is reached, water vapor condenses. Nimbostratus clouds will form, rain will come. Descending air warms and leeward side is dry. Clear sunny skies on leeward side is what orographic will do. Here comes frontal warm front, warm light less stable air meets the cool heavy air, warm air forced off the ground. It's raining, raining, gotta get rid of rain clouds. When the warm air is forced up, it cools and precipitates. It's raining, raining, pulling out my umbrella. This precipitation is a frontal warm front, nimbo to alto stratus, yeah. Alto to cirrostratus, yeah. Rain, 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 saying goodbye to the sunshine. Here comes the cold air meeting the warm air mass. Cold, heavy air stays close to the ground. Warm air is forced to rise. You know what it is, it's cumulonimbus. Been forced to rise vertically. I got this, you got this. Frontal cold front. Heavy and localized is faster than a warm front. Can lead to hailstorms. It's raining, raining, make way for convectional over large land masses and tropical regions. Raining, raining, sun's heating ground and air's rising, cooling, reaching dew point and clouds form vertically. Raining and raining, yeah, raining and raining, yeah. Clouds, 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 looking forward to the sunshine. Create sudden downpours, downpours, maybe even thunder, hail.